Hey, sweet friend, have you ever heard of sexy water? Okay, you may not have because I probably just made that up, but today I'm going to share with you my top favorite water infusions so that you can slim and detox while you hydrate. Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Lauren Valentino and I help women with their nutrition and fitness so that they can thrive in bodies that they love. So welcome. Today we are in the kitchen for this video and I'm going to share with you some really cool ideas for you to spice your water up a little bit. I definitely get complaints from clients of mine, oh, I've got to drink my water. Water's so boring. Well, one of my biggest water no-nos is taking perfectly good water that's meant to cleanse and hydrate your body and putting chemical-laden, color-flavored junk in it. So I'm going to show you how to naturally flavor your water and also reap the benefits of all of the goodness, the vitamins, the minerals, the enzymes that are in our fruits and vegetables that can flavor our water. Did you know that our bodies are basically one big water balloon? Okay, maybe not totally, but our bodies are 65% water. Our brain is 75% water. Our brain, guys, 75% water. Even our bones are 23% water. Our blood is 83% water. So if I haven't convinced you yet by all these percentages that you should probably replace that with good fresh water every day, then I'm probably not going to end up convincing you. But I can at least talk you into some cool things to do for this season to make our water more exciting. So I'm going to encourage you first to check into your local resource. This is one that I really, really love. I think it's so vitally important that you know what's in your water that you're drinking every single day. You can just go to the ewg.org/tap water. And you can type in your zip code and it will tell you what comes right out of your sink that is supposedly filtered that you're putting in your body. Now, if those numbers scare you a little bit, so on a scale of 1 to 10, where I live, our water is a 9 for contaminants, such as prescription medications, things like that, that end up back in our water supply that comes right out of our sink that's supposedly ready to rock and roll and healthy for your body. Well, if I'm gonna spend my time making my body healthy, I wanna make sure that I'm doing the right thing for it. So I want you to check out your local water. For us in our house, we use a Berkey water system. I'll give some information on that if you want it, but Berkey is awesome. So if you've gotten past that, you're good to go with your water. I want to do one more plug for the environment. Guys, if you are walking around still using plastic bottles for your water, please stop. Our environment cannot take it anymore. Do yourself and your world a favor. I do take that very seriously. I do think it is our responsibility to do the best that we can with reusable bottles. I love this one. It's a glass bottle. It has, I think this is like a neoprene thing around it so that if it falls, it's not gonna bust. But I refill this all day long. I feel like that it is my duty and my purpose as a good person, doing what I can do to be good to the environment. So if you have to buy the occasional bottle of water, no big deal, but have a water source at your home or where you spend the most time that you can refill a bottle from, okay? There's my plug for the environment. All right, so did you know that chances are you're chronically dehydrated? I know, blows my mind too. So 75% of Americans, 75% are walking around chronically dehydrated. Well, okay, so Lauren, how much water should I be drinking every day? Well, I'm so glad you asked. You should be drinking 75% of your body weight in ounces every day. So let's do some quick math. Take your body weight and you're going to times it by 0.75. What the answer that you get is how many ounces you should be consuming every day of fresh, clean, good water so that your body can be happy and thrive and your systems can function. Your brain can function, your blood will be healthy, your lymphatic system will be clean, your muscles will be happy, your hormones will work and then flush themselves out, all the good things, okay? So make sure that you are staying hydrated. Now, I'm gonna share with you my very favorite water infusion. So today I made a lemon cucumber water infusion. This is my favorite because it helps get rid of bloat and puffiness. It really cleanses our skin. We have a lot of exposure to high alkalinity here, which definitely cleans our body. It works to detox our body. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. I also wanted to share with you, my kids love a watermelon lemon infusion. I love doing this project as well with my kids because it is something that they get very into. It also helps them drink more water. They like watermelon infusion, watermelon and orange as well. They also like grapefruit and lime. Believe it or not, I know they won't eat those like by themselves, but they love it in their water. So see what you can do with your water infusions. Be creative. It is so super fun to put these together. Okay, so I'm gonna show you just how easy this is. This is a water infusion container. Now you can get these online, so easy. I'm sure Amazon will have it at your house in about 3 minutes, 3 hours at the most. So lemon cucumber, I'm gonna share with you why I love it. Lemon cucumber helps to detoxify the liver. It improves our digestion. It relieves us from bloating. It will promote healthy, glowing skin. It's rich in vitamin C. As I mentioned earlier, the lemon alkalinizes your water. Cucumber is anti-inflammatory. It cleans up free radicals. It's also, cucumber is also rich in vitamin C. Cucumber is anti-estrogenic. Hello, hello. And then both of these guys have anti-cancer benefits. So all you do is you're gonna have a little infuser basket in the center and you put your items in here. I like to layer them. The part that is so important that I did not do the first time that I made one of these is I didn't smash it. You have to smash it to like get it going. So I actually took my knife, I kind of stabbed it down in here and woke these babies up a little bit. And then you just screw your top on like so. Put it down in here and get your lid on super tight. And then I like to give it a little shake and it's ready to go. It is just that easy. So I'm gonna share with you a couple of other infusions that I absolutely love and that we use in our household, especially through the summertime. Okay, so my second favorite is a watermelon basil. It is such a great detox, especially like summertime, you have fresh watermelon, are you kidding me? Watermelon is loaded in antioxidants, loaded in vitamin A, B, C, hello, beautiful skin glow. It's rich in lycopene, which is anti-cancer. Basil, oh my goodness, it eliminates mucus from our body. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, loaded in antioxidants as well, and awesome detox, and that is basil. So watermelon basil, so good. Same thing, just load this guy up with watermelon, put your basil in between. When you take your basil, you wanna roll it, break the leaves up a little bit so that the juice and the goodness can get in your water. That is my second favorite detox water. And then I love what I like to call the skinny glow. So it is grapefruit and mint. Grapefruit, we know, burns fat. It boosts our metabolism. It tastes amazing. It's anti-inflammatory. It also fights cancer. It also will do wonderful, beautiful things for our skin tone. Mint cleanses the gallbladder. It's also super energizing and it just tastes amazing with grapefruit. So check those out. If you have a favorite water infusion, please share. Drop in the comments below, what do you love to put in your water? Also guys, if you love this and it helps you drink more water, you find it as an awesome solution to stay hydrated, you can get one of these in a personal size. I actually have one that's a glass bottle. It has the infuser in the center. And it is surrounded in silicone. So if you drop it, it's not gonna break. And the infuser's in the center. It's such a great size, fits in your cup holder in your car. I do want to tell you one thing though. So with your water infusions, the very first time I did this, I was like, oh, I guess we can just keep filling it up with water for days. About day 4, it started growing some things. So even though I had cleaned my fruits and vegetables, it's obviously, because it's alive and it's healthy, it's going to rot like anything else. I know, it was my total blonde moment. So you want to use these for about 2 days and then clean out your infuser and start over fresh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, like, comment, do all the things, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. I do a new training each week so that you can stay healthy, fit, and strong. All right, guys, see you soon. Take care.